You are watching Tech a Week, and today I'll share some features and specifications of the Redmi 12 Pro. The Redmi 12 Pro runs on Android 12 MIUI 13 and is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. It has 8 GB RAM and 12 GB RAM with 128 and 256 GB of storage. The phone comes with a 6.73-inch LTPO Amoled display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. The Redmi 12 Pro comes in triple camera, 50 MP wide angle camera, 50 MP telephoto lens, 50 MP ultra wide camera and 32 MP front selfie camera. The camera can capture 8K video in 24 fps and 4K video in 30 fps. The Redmi 12 Pro supports a 5.2 Bluetooth version and comes with a in-display fingerprint sensor. It also supports a 120 Hz fast charging, which makes the phone 100% in just 18 minutes. Friends, if you have liked my video, please like, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon. Thank you. And friends, a very happy new year.